to tell myself as a younger person, I think I'd have told myself that I don't need to seek other people's approval to be me, and maybe do some work on being me. And I'd have probably told myself to be a lot kinder to myself as well. But like, thankfully, that's where my faith comes in, because like, two things in life I can't change about myself, and one is I'm a Christian, and the other one is that I'm trans, and I wouldn't want to change them either. So I feel that my faith has actually carried me through so much in life. It truly has. So I think as well, I'm a great believer in serendipity. So when we look at serendipity, it's almost a case of everything happens for a reason. I feel as if I have a calling, and I spoke to the moderator of the local church when I lived in a different place, and it became clear that that calling wasn't going to be realised because of that moderator's view of trans people. But like John Lennon said, life's what happens when you make plans to do things. So I think my calling is to do what I'm doing now. But if I didn't have all of the experiences, I mean, in my 20s, if I looked down the barrel of a sawn-off shotgun at one point, I had a really dysfunctional life. If I didn't have all of my experiences from the past, I wouldn't have the wisdom and the discernment to be able to interact and have an objective view now, I don't think. But you know, all the people that have been really, really like maybe guilty of causing some of this harm over the years, I have nothing but forgiveness for every one of them, because I realise as a human being that holding anything but forgiveness would make me bitter, and my life's worth too much for that. So I think that needs to be out there as well. So I suppose that could be just wrapped up in 3 words. Advice to my younger self: be more kind.